welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now. Like the latest the Frog the Prince, like the latest game available now, and this is the interesting game. I like it, this game, and I hope you will be completely watching my video and I will be helping to you how to complete to be these games. So guys, I'll multiply rewards in the Frog Prince transforming and get the like the 10,000 frogs how to be get. So guys, you will be completely watching my video and don't skip now. I will be completely guide to you how to complete to be this games frogs you will be get. So I hope you will be completely watching my video, and please request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be helping to you always every time. So love you guys. So let's start this quiz. So okay, Frog Prince Merge. This game now named Frog Merge Space game. Like this is the more interesting game, and I will be helping to you how to complete to be this game. Get 10,000. Okay, so let's start now, and I will be closing voice because this is the more like we disturbable. Just only you will be type clicking now. Okay, okay. So okay, 5 gets the nest. Get, you will be clicking on these options. Okay guys, you will be clicking on these options. Okay, so just only tap on this black, and this is the black, and also to be click on these options. This is this game like merge type game, type this game. So interesting game like this. Okay, good. Click on blacks, click on blacks. Go, I needed to blacks, sir. Okay, this is the interesting game. Sometime not to be understand because this is the important for me. Okay, choosing these options. Okay, so clicking on these options. Black now, just only touching on black because easily to complete to be this game rewards. Okay, you checking now. Okay, 6. So guys, this is the everything so much interesting this game, and I like this game because many of people sometimes not to be understand just only using your merge and then to be starting this your game. Just only black and dark black using now. Okay, okay, dark black, black. Okay, again should be like now. Black to be starting. Okay, to to be using this all these options. Okay, tap on this. Sorry. And thank you to be starting more hours checking on this game. One need more. So guys, because I want to be completely guide to you, because just I want to be explain you how to be complete noise the game, because everything so much easily now. Only one of the watching you will be aired. Okay, I will be aired, so now to be ready is okay, no problem. Okay, black, black, black. So using blacks. Okay, okay, again to be black now, again blacks, just to be try to be teach you how to complete now this. Okay, tap on this. Okay, so guys, this is try this game, and I hope you will be enjoying on this video, because this type you will be easily to complete to be your get your B tags. So guys, I hope you will be enjoy this video. So thank you always to be supporting me, because I will be helping to you how to be completely more. Again I clicking no, not to be ready or okay. Okay, tap on these options. Okay, just only tapping on all of blacks. Okay, so just to be needed to be helping to you how to complete now easily. Okay, so thank you so much for you watching my video, and I will be helping to you how to complete to be easily these games. Okay, so love you guys for you watching my video.